Hello everyone. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to buy a crypto on MetaMask in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we need to do guys is we need to open our MetaMask extension. So you can find it here at the top right corner. And I wanted to open it in a full screen. So what we're gonna do guys is we just have to click this buy button, okay? And it will take us on the MetaMask website, the buy and sell cryptocurrency. Okay, so as you can see here guys, we are in the buy extension or the buy section. So as you can see here guys, you can choose what region that you are located. So for me, I'm located at Philippines. I want to the currency, also the Philippine peso. So you can also put the amount, guys. So the minimum amount here, guys, is as you can see here, enter a value between 700 to 50,000. So let's say I wanted to buy a crypto for 700 pesos, and you can choose also what cryptocurrency that we're going to buy. Let's say USDT. Okay, you can click that one, and also the change, or you can select payment method. You can use the Gcash, also the your debit card or your credit card, and also the Binance P2P, and also the Maya card, and also the instant pay. So any of these guys you can select only one. So after that guys, you just have to connect MetaMask. So after that guys, you're good to go. So that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.